Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be playing on a swing. Like I already did a video, and yeah, as y'all can see, my hair is like kind of purple and blue. I can finally see the color now because it used to like it did black. So yeah, can y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can see it. And I also set my camera on something. It's the phone thing. I got that for free. It was cool. So I could sit down stuff, so I don't have to be all up in the grass and everything. So let's get started. So I'm gonna sit the camera. Where should I sit it? Oh, I'm gonna get so itchy. I'm all up in the grass. Oh, look. I already got ants down here. Oh, mushrooms. I got mushrooms growing. And I got flowers growing in my house that I planted, that I did last year, and it's still growing. Can't believe it's not finished yet. And I can't believe this phone not going in. Right there, come on. Don't fall, please. Yay. Hi, guys. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. So for all the people who's watching this video, please subscribe. I need more subscribers because if we get to 1K subscribers, I will do shout outs, okay? But it won't be like pop on a string. I might have to go somewhere and do it because I don't know how to make it pop up on a string. I have to record Yeah. You know, now Mama just start doing shout outs, whoever. Comment down below. If y'all don't comment down below, I can't get shout outs. But whoever does, I can pick some winners to win a prize. Because we got a big house. And it's really big. Like super big. Don't mind me, so okay? Don't y'all like my show? Comment down below. Please, I know I can't repeat myself like 5 times. Like seriously? Time to do another stunt. Oh, help me. Help me. Help me. Yeah, I did it. The swing's starting to get dry. The swing is starting to get dry. So that's when I could do a backflip on the swing. So this could be a backflip tutorial too. That's how you first start off. And then you just keep doing it. Then you do it 10 times, then you start off for 10 more minutes. Then you rest for 30 minutes. And then you just practice it on the ground. And then you could get it. So, bye guys. See you tomorrow. And y'all know my outro. Peace. Hey. Bye. What should I name my YouTube channel? I'm going to change. I want to. Never mind. I'll keep it. But I'm going to name the first part is going to be What's Up Maya Bees. It's going to be Maya Bees. That's what it's called. So y'all are my Maya Bees, my subscribers. Thank you for the support. I only got 13 subscribers, but it really don't matter. And my outro is going to be bye, Maya Bee lovelies. No. Bye, Maya Bees. Then, kisses.